What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Drugs Are Us by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one little riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Once you get done with the video, jump into the video description. Those are both there for you. This song starts with a B flat major 7. So it's first fret on the A string with your index finger. Your ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the D, middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the G, and your pinky finger is on the 3rd fret of the B string. And what you're picking here is, you're picking A, D, G, D, 3 times, then that B string, D, and then take your index finger off, and you're barring the first fret with your index finger. So you're gonna take your pinky finger off, pick the B, which will be on the 1st fret now, and then G again, which is still on the 2nd fret. So again, 3 times. And then B, D, B, G. All together slowly, it looks like. Next, you're going to go to this version of like a G minor. Your middle finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the low E. Your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the D string, and your index finger is on the 2nd fret of the G. And you're doing the same thing. You're going to pick E, D, G, D 3 times. Add your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the G, D, back to 2nd fret of the G, and D. That looks like. And all together slowly, that looks like. And then that entire thing repeats. So I'll play through the whole thing slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.